Hi guys, I'm Shraddha and we are here to work on your posture today. If you have been habituated to a wrong posture, chances are that you're feeling the tightness in your neck, shoulder and spine. But it's not too late to save your posture. We will work on opening these areas and improving their strength so that they're able to hold your body in place. Let us start with fixing our shoulders. Our shoulders require the maximum work because first, the weight of the world is on our shoulders. So whenever you're feeling low, whenever you're feeling less energetic, your shoulders are always like this, you're in this position. So all the tension and heaviness that you're feeling, they make your shoulders slouch down. The heaviness and the tension accumulates around these joints. And if you keep neglecting your posture, your shoulders may become round and tight and it will lead to some joint pain issue like the frozen arm or anything like that. And even though if you feel that you are comfortable with the posture, there is nothing wrong about it, let me just tell you something. If you're sitting like this and you feel completely fine with your posture, but does this posture say that you are a strong or confident or energetic person? I think it says the complete opposite of that. So let us go from here to all the way here, and now you tell me what kind of body image does this posture present to you, right? It presents confidence, it presents energy, it presents strength. Yeah, so let's get going and fix that posture. Alright, let's start with some basic joint rotations. You must have done these previously in your PT school, but there's no skipping these joint rotations because they are very important if you have to stretch your shoulders out. So place your palms on your shoulders like this, make the elbows meet, then inhaling you go back, exhaling come forward, 5 times inhale back, exhale forward, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, last one, inhale and exhale. Now let us take it the other way around, inhaling back, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, 2 more, inhale, exhale, last one, inhale and exhale. The second one, just extend your arms like this and tuck your thumb inside the fist and move it back and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, opposite direction, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Alright. Third one, simply place your palms on the knees, shrug your shoulders up and let them down 10 times. Up and down, up and down, 4 and down, 5 and down, 6 down, 7 down, 8 down, 9 down, last one, 10 and down. Now let us work on some advanced mobility drills. So the first one is you will extend your arms up, then with exhalation you will simply put your palms behind your back like this, as much as it will go. So suppose you have round shoulder here and you are able to extend like this, so even though you are moving it with the elbows, even that is fine for now. Alright, let us do this one. Inhalation, extension, exhaling back, 1, inhaling up, exhaling 2, inhaling up, exhaling 3, inhale, exhale 4, inhale, exhale 5, 2 more, inhale, exhale 6, last one, inhale, exhale 7 and release. Breathe for a while, relax for a while. Now the second one, first you see, then we will do together. So what you have to do, you will extend your arms sideways, then inhale, the arms move in opposite direction, exhaling, they move towards each other. Inhaling up, exhaling back, inhaling up, exhaling back. If I have to show you how it looks from behind, it is something like inhaling up, exhaling back. So again, suppose you have rounded shoulders, the movement of your arm might be restricted, so it goes something like this. Alright, so even that is fine because it is still working out your shoulder joints, your deltoid, working out your shoulder joints and deltoid. Alright, let us do this 10 times. Inhaling, extend, exhaling back, inhaling, extend, exhaling back. Chest out, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, exhale. 6, inhale, exhale. 7, inhale, exhale. 8, inhale, exhale. 9, last one, inhale, exhale. 10. Relax, breathe. I guess you're already feeling lightness here, you're already feeling some movement here. You can go back to these exercises. This is just a 10-minute flow, so you can come back and do it as often as you want. Alright, now the third one, you place your palms behind your back, so you interlace the fingers, join the thumb, place your palms behind the back of your head and simply press the elbows back and bring them forward. Now don't lean forward like this. The spine is not moving. The spine is straight. Only the elbows are going as back as possible and come back. Elbows go back and come back. And go back and all the way back, forward. 5 more. All the way back, forward. 2, forward, 3, forward, working on the posterior shoulders, the back, upper back, and last one, back, forward, and release. Breathe. Next one, place your palms on the waist and simply again pressing your shoulders back and forward. So this is a wing movement. Imagine that these are your wings and you are getting your wings back and forward 10 times. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back. So you see a kind of upward movement is also happening. It is not just shoulders are not only moving back, they are moving from up and back and forward, up and back and forward. 5 more. 5, forward, 4, forward, 3, forward, 2, forward, last one, 1 and forward. So whenever I stretch my shoulders, I feel so light in this area and automatically my mood improves, my energy increases. So I hope that you are feeling the same right now. And opposite happens when this area is tight and it is rounded up like this. The mood is down, even the energy is down. Alright. So coming to the last one, simply place the thumb inside the fist and this kind of a clockwork hold. So you first see, then we will do it together. So we will extend the hands up like in a 12 o'clock position and press the palms behind, press the fist behind, hold for 5 here, then come back, then go to 11 and again go as back as possible. Don't arch your spine like this, you're not doing this, the spine is straight, only the arms are dropping behind. Then come back, 10, I hope this is 10, yeah, and then 9 and back. So like this. Alright, so it is 11, 10, 9 or 1, 2, 3, whatever you fancy. Alright, let us do this one. So extend your arms up, thumb inside the fist, palms are facing forward, press it back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come back, 11, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back, come to 10 and back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back, go to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come back and 4 or 8, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, last one, 5 or 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, there is no space for 6. So what do we do for 6? We will sit, interlace the fingers behind the palm like this, open up the armpit chest and simply try to straighten out the arms. Now if you feel that you are not able to interlace the fingers and keep the elbow straight, you can always hold a towel and straighten it out like this. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and come back. Now give yourself a good warm hug. You totally deserve it. Your shoulders love you for doing so good by them. And from here we'll do a couple of my favorite shoulder stretches, the kind of stretches that are enough to maintain the flexibility of the shoulders if you do them daily. So what we'll do, the right elbow is down and the left elbow is above. Now you will try to wrap them up something like this. So something like this where the palms are touching each other from opposite side. If this is not accessible, absolutely fine. You can continue doing this and keep holding your shoulders, the back of the shoulders. Alright. So let us hold it here first. Let us hold for 1. Make sure that the palms are parallel to the head. Palms are not falling to the head like this. Yeah. 2, 3, the back of the shoulder getting a really good stretch here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now wait, from here just simply lift the elbow up and down. Again the arms are traveling parallel to you, they are not falling towards you. Up and down, up and down. 2 more, up and down, up and down. Alright, now remember which elbow was up. Now we'll do the same thing with the second elbow up. Alright, so here my right elbow will be up. Again one more hug. So you can choose to stay here or you can go in this position. Let us be here for 10 counts. 1, 2, breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let us lift it up and down. 1, down, 2, down. You can always be like 3, down, 4, down and 5, down. Yeah, and come back. Last one, coming to the last stretch here. So you will extend your arms, place your palms on the elbow. Now again remember there are 2 types of locking here. One locking is this and the second locking is this. Yeah. So we'll do locking 1. Simply keep the elbows dropping behind. Spine is straight as possible. 1, breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change the interlocking. We'll work on the opposite posterior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come back. So this 10-minute sequence is all you need to do to take care of the roundness and the tightness of your shoulder. Suggest do it regularly, every alternate day. If you can do it daily, nothing like it, but a regular practice will ensure that the roundness is slowly disappearing. And thank you again for joining me for this program. Thank you. Namaste.